Hello, friends. Today marks the 5th day of our marathon, and as promised, I will show you how our CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster bots can help you outsmart brokers and squeeze the maximum from the market. Get comfortable, watch attentively, and remember the first steps you need to take. First and foremost, you must order our CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster bots while the special offer is still available, allowing you to purchase both bots for the price of one. If you haven't done so already, act fast. The promotion can end as abruptly as it began, and it would be a missed opportunity not to take advantage of such a fantastic offer. Remember, you're not paying for the bots themselves, you're investing in your own prospects. And those who already understand what's at stake also know that being stingy can cost you twice. But enough with the rhetoric. So, let's get started. To choose the right moment to activate our bot, several factors need to be considered. Firstly, analyze the market conditions and look for signs of a favorable trading environment, such as a clear trend or increased volatility. Additionally, ensure that you have properly configured the bot's parameters according to your trading strategy, our recommendations mentioned in the previous video, and your risk tolerance. To truly understand how our bots perform optimally, we recommend thoroughly testing them in various market conditions and with different instruments, determining their effectiveness and getting accustomed to their style. Finally, keep track of key indicators and signals that align with your trading strategy and wait for a suitable entry point before activating the bots. Timing is crucial, so patience and a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics are necessary to select the optimal moment for our bots to start working. For learning how to choose precise entry points, identify the most volatile market moments and waves, and manage your emotions to avoid falling into gambling tendencies, we provide comprehensive training in our course, From Numbers to Profit. If you aspire to become a true professional, a disruptor of algorithmic trading systems, join our course, From Numbers to Profit, where we will reveal all our secrets and share our extensive experience with you. In advance, so as not to take up your time now, we have already conducted an analysis of the instruments we will be trading. We have also configured the bots and even launched one of them. The volatility and trendiness of Index 50, 1S, suit us perfectly. It is on this instrument that we have launched our ImpulseMaster bot. Now all that remains is to observe. We have set the take profit level for ImpulseMaster at $700. I believe that with such volatility and trend direction, our bot will be more than capable of handling it. And we continue our marathon. The configuration of CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster bots for maximizing profit depends on several factors. Here are some recommendations that can help you optimize their settings. Study the documentation. Familiarize yourself with our instructions and guides for using the bots. Understanding their features and capabilities will help you make more informed choices in the settings. Apply our visual settings or customize the parameters of our bots to align with your own strategy. Consider your preferences regarding time frames, order types, stop loss and take profit levels, and other important parameters for the chosen trading instrument. Pay attention to market volatility. The market can exhibit varying levels of volatility at different times. Assess the current volatility and adjust the bots accordingly. Higher volatility may require wider stop loss and take profit levels to account for larger price fluctuations. Optimize the bot parameters. Conduct regular optimizations of the bot parameters based on historical data and past trading results. This will help you find optimal parameter values for maximizing profit in current market conditions. Analyze the results and make adjustments only after that. Monitor the performance of the bots and analyze their results. If you notice unsatisfactory outcomes or incorrect behavior, make the necessary adjustments to the settings. It is important to remember that each market, instrument, and strategy has its own characteristics, so configuring the bots may require time, patience, and experience. We strongly recommend thoroughly testing the bots on a demo account before implementing your own trading strategy on a real account. As you can see, our ImpulseMaster bot is performing quite well, effectively capturing trends, and the statistics show more positive closed trades than negative ones. This is exactly what we expect during directional trending movements. Now let's take a look at how our second bot, CandleMaster, is doing. Well, there are results, but they're not as impressive. Perhaps we should consider changing the instrument for this bot. It seems that the bulls didn't live up to expectations today. We switched our CandleMaster bot to the Volatility Index 50, and things started to get more exciting for it. But it clearly can't keep up with ImpulseMaster today. Nevertheless, let's continue watching. All right, it seems that the trend here has also come to an end. Let's switch our bot to another index. The Volatility Index 25 inches will do. Let's go. As you can see, our bot ImpulseMaster has reached the set profit target of $700. What a champ! Everything worked out just as we expected. But it's clear that the trend is not over yet, and we still have time. So let's allow our bot to keep working and add more money to our piggy bank. So, the goal has been achieved. That's all for today. Our boys, CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, have done a great job and added over $1,000 to our piggy bank, showing impressive results in both executed trades and profitability. We want to remind you that the 2 bots for the price of 1 promotion is still ongoing. Right now, you have the opportunity to acquire our powerful bots, CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, for the price of 1. It's a unique chance to double your profits and take control of the market. Our bots have demonstrated outstanding results, not only in previous videos but also in this one, increasing our deposit by nearly 1,500%. As you have seen, Our bots skillfully identify trends, analyze volatility, and make strategic decisions to squeeze the maximum out of each trade. But that's not all. We are ready to share our years of experience and secrets of successful trading with you. In our course, From Numbers to Profit, you will become a true professional capable of cracking algorithmic trading systems and multiplying your capital. Don't miss this opportunity. Order our bots, CandleMaster and ImpulseMaster, right now while the promotion is still valid. Remember, you're not just buying bots, you're purchasing your own prospects and a chance to change your life. Time is limited, so act fast. Let's achieve financial success together and unleash Derive Broker to the fullest. Follow us, and you'll succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos with relevant topics and new offers.